guys, how you're doing? I am back. I am back. Now I know that the fact that I have been inconsistent when it comes to posting is because from doctor's orders, I'm not supposed to strain my voice too much, okay? So therefore, I'm gonna be in and out, but I'm gonna try my best to be as consistent as possible on this YouTube channel. Also, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are a newcomer to this channel. I teach AI in business, as well as how to make money with AI, as well as how to change your life with AI technology. Okay, I'm all the way from Johannesburg, South Africa, for those who don't know or new to this channel. And what I do is that I'm actually an AI expert. Okay, so therefore I've been testing a lot of AI tools for the past 5 years, and I'm actually sharing it with you. Okay, now if you want to go and support me regarding to my business, which is the Mount Walker Group, you can check out my bio. My digital portals are there, as well as my app is in the comment section. You can go check out my app as well. Okay, now guys, how you're doing? I hope you're good. You can just write it down in the comment section how you're doing. I would like to hear from you. Another thing is I'm okay. It's just that I have to adjust to these kind of new changes until I get healed, whereby I have to heal my voice box. Look, I don't even wear lipstick anymore, and I don't do that high-end makeup anymore because I'm healing from something very serious, guys, and I'm not allowed to put like a lot of makeup on my face. It's a long story, but I just speak about it on Rumble. You can go check out my Rumble page, also the same name as this page, which is called the Rumble app. Okay, now if you are in the property management business as well as real estate, okay, I want you to please sit down, take a pen and paper handy, because I'm going to be giving you all this information. And what happened is that, I'm not going to lie, it had to take me like a week or so to actually research and do some more information, because I'm more into the construction as well as the industrial, those hardcore heavy work. So I know more information about this. But because I have a lot of clients and colleagues, in terms of staff members that work for me, that know people that are in the real estate industry, I said, no, let me also help the real estate industry. Okay. Excuse me. Now, guys, please, if I cough a lot, I apologize. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Now, if you are having a property or a real estate agency, this is how AI is going to help you. It's going to help to screen your tenants. It's going to help to predict your property values. It's also going to help with handling maintenance requests. Okay, it's going to help with virtual property tours, and therefore it's going to help with rent collection as well as reminders, and also market analysis. Now, what's the good part is that on this video, I'm going to go straight to the point and give you the AI tools for you to actually assist you in order for you to organize and make more money with property development as well as real estate with these tools. Okay, the first tool I'm going to speak about is actually a site. It's called Matterport.com. You can actually use it for virtual tours. Okay, the next one is ChatGPT. You can actually use it for customer communication skills. So if, like, say for instance, you want to make a sale, you can go and find out about that, how to do it there. Another one is Buildium.com, whereby it's property management, so you can actually control and see what's going on in terms of your property there. And Appfolio.com, it's tenant as well as maintenance management. So if you are going through issues with your tenants, or you want to find out more information as to how to fix it, you can go to that website. Okay, the next one, the last one, is called Jasper AI. Now, therefore, whoever uses Jasper AI, I use it. You can actually use it for property marketing content. So say for instance, you want to create a marketing content for your TikTok, YouTube, whatever. You can use it on your shorts. Use shorts, guys. Don't use these long kind of things. What will happen is it will increase your sale value as well as for you to get more property sold. Okay, now guys, thank you so much for watching. I highly appreciate it. As I said, I'm going to get straight to the point. I am still healing my voice box, so I'm not going to speak too much on this channel for now, and therefore I will be posting 2 videos. So the next one is also going to be some more beneficial information for you. Also, another thing is that, guys, you can go check out my YouTube channel, which is Elite Entertainment channel. It's also under adult content, but therefore it's not for juniors. Okay, so therefore it's just for advice regarding to intimacy issues you're having. As well as you can go and check out my Rumble app, whereby Rumble site, sorry, whereby you can actually check it out and see that I actually motivate you in positive thinking. And I also speak about my own personal things that I've been through and how I managed to get out of it. Okay, bye guys, I love you so much. And please just check all the apps here, okay, and the sites that I spoke about, that they're going to be placed here. Bye guys.